Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Render token. In my earlier videos, we have been watching how Render token bounced from the support of a very big rising wedge pattern and reached the resistance. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to show you another rising wedge pattern that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous trading signals report in the video's description. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SSV network, you just need to click on the link for that trade setup. It will take you to the trading views chart, and there is a play button available on every trading views chart. You just need to click that play button, and it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the chart. And this is the live weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Render token has already broken out a very, very big down channel in the month of October 2022. And then we had a very, very nice rally. And during this move to the upside, the price line formed another rising wedge pattern. And you can see that during this move, Render token has also broken out different very, very long-term resistance levels as well. Like here, we had a very long-term resistance at 85 cents. It broke it out. Then we had the next resistance here at $1.17. We also broke it out as well. And after that, we had this resistance here at $2 that was previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And here you can see that for several weeks, it was breaking as a resistance again. And now we have finally broken out this resistance of $2, and now it can work as a very strong and long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here Render token has formed another rising wedge pattern. This was, by the way, the rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and now we have the formation of another rising wedge pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart as well. Now, for example, if the price then breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then the move to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.78. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $3.51. And if the price line reaches there to hit this target, then it can easily break out this long-term resistance of the bigger rising wedge pattern as well. And now if we take a look at the final target for this rising wedge pattern after the breakout, then the target for this rising wedge pattern can be here. That will be approximately at $15. And the target for this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.